answer them and tell me why you do the things you do. Me can't. People, I can't come to. Me can't come to. When I get the call last night, when the girl talks him eat out in vagina, the girl say him have infection. And him tell Lynchy, and Lynchy hold him down and eat out in vagina.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. Unstoppable, now we are trained.
Alright, up and running. We're going again, Unstoppable family. So people just reaching at the studio, you understand, and decide to me to get my work day started. See? But as soon as me reaching at the studio, I receive a WhatsApp message. Alright, and the person say, Unstoppable, please watch this video. Now, I start to watch a little piece of it and then I realize how long the video, actually is. So I say, alright, you know what, instead of me actually scrubbing through this video, I just decide to, make we just watch it together. Me and Uno at the same time. See? Now, as I say, I watch a little piece of it and I get to understand what the video is about. And it is of a wife exposing her husband, which is a pastor. Oh, boy. You know what? Make we go watch the video. But people, listen, I leave out early this morning, didn't even have breakfast, and as I reach at the studio and get the message right away. So, meanwhile, we watch this, I go have myself a nice cup of coffee. See, I watch it, hey, to my brother, you see, that mark on my coffee cup, you see, and then it have a computer upon it, you understand, because everybody know what I love. But anyway, make we go watch the video, you see, while I have my nice hot cup of coffee. Forward.
Yeah, people may not know what happened, as I was saying. Yes, the man is a wicked man. People would not know. I put on a pretty face every day and walk through that door, whether I go work or not. Pretty face. I shield this man so many times. Yes, Nicole, I'll send you some pictures soon. So many times, me not talk, me a quiet person. So you must know, when you see me come on live attack, you must know, me cup full, it overflow. Yeah, me tell you now, it's when me pregnant, you think I can call that man and say, me feel for something, you can buy something, carry come give me, or buy something this. Me have to send him money for buy. Yes, him nah buy. Me there already, people. Me have money. And me say no, so me go see the type of person you be. And me turn to him, say to him, say, lend me $30. Me never want it, people. I never want it. $30. Me say, lend me. Me not the money. Me say, lend me I won't stop until he lend me. I never need the money, because I had money. People, yes, when Friday come, the man asked me for $30. Dirty man. People. Dirty man. And me take up myself, married to this man, treat this man like a king. Give me all. I will do things for the money I want to do for nobody else. Yeah, tell you now, the man is a dirty man, dirty. David Anthony Lynch was him a pastor. Him a no pastor. Him a false prophet. Him is not a pastor. And people, when you see me come talk about private things, you must know. You must know the man walk and tell the whole world we're going on. The man walk and you stop call because I'm
exactly.
Everything. Nobody never have to know what going on in my house. Nobody had to know what's going on in my marriage. Nobody had to know. Nobody knew until the man start walking. You when tell me say him no say what him do is not
one more time.
People.
Sure.
But you still ask him, me say why you do it? Stop doing it. Why? You walk and talk. Why? But me tell him, you don't have to worry, David Anthony Lynch. You don't have to worry because you walk and talk. You walk and paint a bad picture upon me. A bad picture. Bad picture. People would not know. People would not know, but your ex-wife did talk. I am going to be sorry. And I'm sorry now. I am sorry now. I am sorry now. Me tell people the best of me wanna get right now. The best. Me I try my best not to cry. The best of me. Yeah, me tell you now the best of me wanna get right now. The best. What that the man they do me. Thing that man will left he do to me. I cut off my neck. Cut it off. You walk and talk, say my wife toxic. And your wife this and your wife that. Your wife wasn't toxic, it was you. Because the same thing them when you do your ex-wife. I hate you come and do me. You know that the only thing you wanted was a green card. And you know the only way to get that green card was to get me pregnant.
Oh, you hear that?
Pregnant. People would not know what me got you. Me got you a lot. And I get up every single day and I put on a pretty face. Pretty face. Pretty face I put on. And I got you. I support him in everything him do. Everything that man do, I support him. And nobody would know. Nobody would have known. Nobody. And I tell him, I am going to expose you. So you don't get the privilege to do what you do to your ex-wife and me to somebody else. That's why I'm going to expose you. You're not get that privilege. You're not. And I tell him I am not going to stop. Me not stopping. Me not stopping. David, me not stop. God I go beat you. God go and beat you. Me tell people, at the grace of God bring me through my pregnancy. Me thank God every day. Oh, my baby come out fine. Bouncy, healthy baby boy me have. Bouncy, healthy baby boy. If he never did a sleep, I would have shown him. Bouncy, healthy baby boy. That man never buy nothing give my child. Me ask the man for Vaseline for the baby. And now Vaseline can't come. You hear me tell you now? All now the Vaseline can't come. And he get up every day and preach like a pastor. Every day. Every single day and get up and preach. What kind of pastor are you? What kind of man are you? You're a false prophet. You're a false prophet. False prophet you are. False. All you had to tell me I wanted a green card. All you had to do was to tell me. All you had to do. Me say from the man get the green card 2 months ago. My life is a living hell. It was a hell before. But since he get it, me just dead. And dead alone left me dead. Dead alone left me dead. God carry me. God. David Anthony Lynch, you I'm talking. You I'm talking about. You. This is not me. I don't talk about my personal life on social media. The man tell the whole world. The man tell people. The man tell people things. People come back and tell me, say, I would not even repeat the things them to you when you say. And I'm a husband, I'm married to. Me tell him, me say the only thing I regret wasting my 5 years with you. And I regret spending all my money on you. Me could have more than have more things. But I spend it on you. Because you promised me. You promised me. You promised me. You promised David Anthony Lynch. You promised. You promised me. Yes, April, that's what I should have done. I take a blind eye to it. I take a blind eye to it. Even when we got my interview 2 months ago. Even when we got my interview the man was the sweetest man to me. You don't think when me pregnant, me can ask him to rub my back or my foot? He come like I'm a niece breed me. I'm a niece, me have to call. My niece. All through my pregnancy. My niece. I don't know she get me pregnant. My niece. The man there. Me say my back hurt me. Rub my back on my foot. He tell me no. My husband. And months my husband don't sleep in my bed. Months. See my couch over there so them sleep it out. Sleep on my couch. Sleep it out. And he get up every day. Like him a Mr. Nice Guy. Every day. Me a Pastor Lynch. Every day. Like everything is right.
Somebody get to me now, man.
How can you be a pastor? Me tell him. Me say anybody come at the church the way I open. If it open, them is just like you and beautiful like you. Me tell him. Me say you don't have to look on my child. My child don't need you. You don't have to look on him. Cause you treat my baby like a shit. He never asked to come here. And we trouble him. We. Me and you trouble him. He never asked to come here. Never asked to. And me and you go trouble him. Me and you. And you treat me 2-month-old baby. Baby just turned 2 months yesterday. 2-month-old baby like a load of filth. You don't even look on him. The only thing you will see him come in and do, take up the baby for 20 minutes. And buy him down. And then come put him down. That's it. He never wash a shirt for the baby. He never change a diaper. He never mix a backroom. If you come here right now and say to him, so with the baby stuff, then them can't tell you. That the man cuss me like a dog. If you don't hear the things that will come out of my mouth, like a dog. Class me. Everything. Hear me tell you no? That the man they class me. Cuss me. You hear me tell you no? David Anthony Lynch. Yes, him. Him is a wicked man. False prophet. Cheat. The man cheat. He lie. And every time he get catch, him have a story. Every time him have a story. Every time him out sweet like a sugar. But me I tell you no, any woman pick him up, may God go with them. Because you have 2 wives. And the 2 wives are divorce you. First one divorce you, and me need a divorce. Me done. Me done. Man like you can't be trusted. You never want nothing with me in the first place. All you wanted was what? A green card. And you know, so if you get me pregnant, immigration I go give you a green card, flying colors, because then see belly. Then see belly.
So it work?
So you get green card, them see belly.
I didn't know.
Yeah, me tell you, them see belly. The man plays so good with me. Me tell you the people, I want to know. At the grace of God. God carry me through. God carry me through. Me pray night in, night out. People would even know. Me they are pregnant. Can't eat for weeks. Me there. And people have to force me to eat. Miss a drink. Me got doctor say what happened to you. Me can't tell them. Me say me good. Depression, stress, blood pressure high, everything. And I'm my husband. You hear me tell you? My husband, me claim I'm my husband, me married. I take a vow. Why you going to church go take a vow when you know See, a destroyer come for destroy me. Me live at Syracuse 3 years, people. Nobody can talk nothing bad about me. All I do is work. Me work me back off. Ask about me work. Me work me back off. Always there me had if me not there work. And this man come for destroy me. And get up every day and go out the road like all is well and nothing is well. And I tell him every time you talk, it come back. Him talk so much to so much people. So much people. And when I confront him, he can't know where he come from. Too much people in talk to. You me telling the people? Too much people in talk to. Too much. Let me tell you, too much. I didn't get up every day, my pastor. Every day, my this. Every day, my that. None of uno pan yes would never know my business. None of uno would never know my business if a man never care my business over the world. Over the world. Jamaica, Syracuse, and Florida. Me just tell him 2 days ago I need a divorce. And I could able to get calls from Florida to say the man call and attack. And I'm my husband. My private life. My private life. My sex life in my bedroom. Everything the man talk. Everything. Me tell you, me say me I go expose you. Me I expose you. To make people know the type of person you be. And you won't get that privilege to hurt another woman. I am not doing this because I want somebody sorry for me. I am doing this so you don't get the privilege. If you hurt another woman, you did too. You beat up your wife and broke her and the things you do. Pastor. Things you do, Lynchy. Things you do me. Things you do me. And the grace of God. Tired to say it, the grace of God. And people that never know. Make you get up every day, you go out there, put on such a pretty face. You smile and you go out. Everything good I had, man. Everything good I had. When people don't know how you treat me. You treat me like a load of shit. Load of shit. Christmas come, not even one little play time buying for his son. If you say make him shaky and got a distraction. Not even that. Not even that. Not even that. Not even that, people. Not even that. Not even that. Oh, me do this. Oh, me treat this man. Oh, me go all out for this man. Me give me all. I never go short with this man. Me with there. And the man have money and the man will not dig out me eye. Him would have dig out me eye. Him would have dig out me eye, people. Dig it out. Dig it out. Dig out it. The day of my anniversary just gone. September 22nd. Me said to the man, we could go eat. And when the man tell me, say, I don't have the money. And my bank card, the man come borrow and go buy a burger eat. My bank card. And I am not working. In my work. I am not working. But in my work. And I say, my husband. My husband. My husband. Me say, my husband. Yeah, me telling the people, this is what I've been going through. And nobody knew. Nobody. I don't talk about it. But my cup full. And the only reason why I chose to come on here this morning, if you tell you no, say don't get the privilege to hurt another woman again. Him don't get the privilege to hurt another woman. Yes, you, David Anthony Lynch. From retreat set me where claim your pastor. Claim your pastor. You claim you is a pastor. You claim your pastor. Pastor treat them wife good. Pastor take care of them family. Pastor not treat them family like filth. Pastor don't do that. Pastors don't do that. And you get up every day. God this and God go and beat you. Me say God go and beat you. And me tell you my tears them don't go. My tears them not going in vain. Not going in vain. You think them are going in vain? I mean not pray no bad prayer for you, Lynchy. No bad prayer. Everything good me I pray for you. Cause me I go live. Me I go live for see you. Me I go live for see you. Me I go live for see you. You're all. I don't know why me all stick up old man. I don't know what's wrong with me, an old man. I don't know what's wrong with me, an old man. Ever I take them up like me an idiot. Me a young green girl. Can't get any man me want. Me look good. I don't need your validation. Don't need it. I don't need it, Lynchy. Don't need it. You is a user. You is an abuser. You is a wicked. You is a manipulator. You is a false pastor. You is a false pastor. False. You criticize every other pastor, but you don't see your faults. You criticize every other else pastor, you don't see your fault. My mother did tell me, you know. My mother warned me, and I take a blind eye. You, my mother don't talk to me. Months. You. My mother don't talk to me, Lynchy. You. Me and my sister never fall out. You make we fall out. You. Like when you want to mash up my family. You come to mash up my family. Me send come to Jamaica and tell you say, my mother get visa for come at the wedding. You put false information on the paper. You never know say me that go find out. You never know I was going to find out. Wrong information. Wrong information. My mother won't be the first person to come to my daughter's wedding. That was your remarks. What kind of man you be? Exactly. What kind of man? What kind of man? What kind of... God, we not love him come and so right now go answer all of them questions that me ask. I would have loved for him to come and answer them.
If he says something true,
answer them and tell me why you do the things you do. Me can't. People, I can't come to. Me can't come to. When I get the call last night, when the girl talks him eat out in vagina, the girl say him have infection. And him tell Lynchy, and Lynchy hold him down and eat out in vagina. And come home, come kiss me and sleep with me. Eh? And if me did catch disease when I see I make I come.
What she say a while ago, people?
If I did catch disease and tell him when I see I may bring it come home. Yeah, I would have may bring it come home. But you never know, say. All of them as something was going to come out. You never know. You never know. You never know. Let me tell you, God not sleep, you know. God not sleep. You see, God revealed everything to me, people. Everything. Everything come clear. Everything revealed to me. Proof. Everything just reveal out. Everything. Me have to tell people some of the time I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear. Because he walk and talk so much. He forgot to tell. He forgot to tell. But guess what? Me blame myself. I blame myself. Because people did tell me. Oh, me treat this man here. Oh, me treat you. Oh, me take care of you. Oh, are you if you take care of me and I me take care of you. Me take care of you. Whole heap of money me spend on the man. Whole heap. And it wasn't a problem. Like me a walk a man old man. Come like that me a walk a do. Man old man. Yeah. Come like me a walk a man old man. That me take up on myself. Old man. And I ask him, please, hurry up and file that divorce. I need it.
File the divorce.
I'm not sitting down in this. No, I don't want to talk about nothing, sir. So you coming to talk about, I don't want to talk about nothing. Me done. Me cup run over. Me tell me say run over, it run over like down a retreat river. Run over. Run over.
People.
Run over. People see how me deal with you. When we are getting married, me work. I have proof. I have proof. I work my back off. Even the talks with the man married and me buy. And the man can give me fake wedding band. Fake wedding band. Fake wedding band, people. When you look on that, it's fake. I am not coming in to telling a lie. If you come in here right now and repeat everything we are telling in front of him.
Well, look like me
Everything. I know I'm not lie. Man call my father and my stepmother and tell him all manner evil about me. It's when I tell my father the real reason. Me tell my father, me say call him on the phone. Me can tell what me I tell in front of him. And when I reveal to my father could have never believe. Let me walk and take care of old man. And that's all me can say. Because most that when I pay body pension. Because I can't have vagina. Body pension. And that me that pay body pension. Yeah, body pension me that pay. Yeah, that me did that pay. That I was paying to this man. That I was paying to this man. That I was paying. I can't see no other reason. I don't see another reason. I don't see another reason. Not another reason I don't see. What other reason can I say? What me can say? Want to tell me because me don't know what me can say. What can I say? Me never go live yet. I don't remember going live in my life. Me barely post my Facebook. Barely. And me tell him last night, I am going to expose you. And that's exactly what I am doing. I'm not lying. Me I expose you. You know, get that privilege if you hurt another woman. He is a wicked. He is evil. He is a manipulator. And he is a user and abuser. You know exactly. Because him walk and talk. All him want is him green card. All him want is him green card. That's all him want. And there was so many signs, and I take a blind eye to it. Me don't know how me fool. I take a blind eye to it. Me fool. Me tell him I don't have nothing to hide. Nothing at all to hide. David Anthony Lynch, nothing to hide. I'm an open book. Whatever I'm saying now, I can say it in front of your face. In front of your face. Tree no planting on my face. Me can get any man me want. Any man. I could have gotten any man. David Lynch, any man. Yeah, false prophet. False. The Bible tell you about them. False prophet, and people in mouth sweet like a sugar. Oh, it's sweet. Like sugar. Oh, him mouth sweet. The man mouth sweet like, and him lie. We have to ask him. He say me never know say a pastor lie. I never know pastors tell lie. I never know that. Me never know that the pastors tell lie. I never know that. Never know.
She don't know.
More than people look for my baby.
She don't know the pastor tell lie. While she can't look for the baby, I want them push her in the kitchen and get some coffee. Car boy. This look like it's going to go at least another what? Let me see. At least another 25 minutes it look like. Boy, me I tell you. And that's money that we are keep on a call her. You see people, right now they're on our live and watch her and call her. Why you dey on live and do this for? Come off, man. You don't need fear to do this on the internet. And then the man call her enough to stop her, you know.
Yes, people. Yes, that's exactly what I'm saying. The man is a user. And you won't get the privilege to use another woman. You did twice. You walk and toxic. Your ex-wife is toxic. She was not toxic. She was a lovely lady. And you went toxic. I'm tired of telling him you went toxic. Cause the same thing I do, she do me. Same thing. Same thing. You make people talk, so me come in your marriage. I never go in your marriage. You tell me, see your marriage over. So people can do the maths. I start talking to you 2015. September 27 when I start talking to you. You only left out of my inbox. And I take you. But I blame myself. I don't blame you. I blame myself. Myself, me blame.
In our next one inbox from Facebook.
Me blame myself. Everything I blame myself for. Because me get signs. And I still slow. I still got through. Still went through. Still went ahead. Still went ahead. Still went ahead. The only reason I'm not see the lynch come off of my name, I can't make remember my password to Facebook. But I'm going to figure it out. I'm going to figure it out today. To take it off. My name is not Lynch, my name is Kelly. Me sure that. Man wicked. I'm saying you wicked. You wicked people. You wicked. You wicked. Wicked. Man have woman. Woman a cheat out backside. Just a cheat along so. Me never know so one man can walk and eat people vagina so. How why not vagina you like so sir? You tell me. How why not vagina you like so? Mine never good enough for you eat. Yeah. You have to go to the road and just a heat so. Yeah. You just go to the road and a heat so. Why you walk and eat vagina? A food? Yeah. A food? Vagina is food? Is it food? You don't like me for food. Talk to me. You don't like me for food. Because I can't have vagina alone. Something else I have to do. You just walk and name crutches. You come in, you sleep with me, you kiss me. God, I thank you and I catch nothing. Thank you, Jesus, I don't catch nothing. Thank Jesus, I don't catch nothing.
Thank Jesus.
May I disgrace you, David. You make you get the privilege not to do it to somebody else. You won't get that privilege. I am exposing you. I may tell you, I'm going to expose you. Because you're wicked. There's a wicked man. You claim I'm your husband. Claim I am your wife. How can you have a wife and you get up and go to work, go pay half a rent and left in there half your wife? Half a rent. Half a rent, people. The man get up and go pay half.
What you mean by
half of the rent? You get up and go pay and left in the half of me pay half. And it 2 we living at the house. 2 away. The man knows that me and them sick. Me have carpal tunnel. I developed it during my pregnancy. The doctor said hopefully we go after a period of time. He's still young. And the man don't even look for me if he say he help me if he cook. The man cook for himself and eats. And put the rest in the fridge.
No, man.
So him roll. Not lie. If he come right here so right now, me tell him. Not lying. Not lying. And people would not know. These are the things he's doing behind closed door. People would not know. And me tell him, I say make sure when you tell people the truth. And make sure when you tell people, say I may ask you for your divorce. You never ask me, I may ask you. Because what you was looking for, you was looking to, oh, make a retingle thing. No, brother, go away. If me retingle things with you, me not left you for cut off my neck. I mean, I deserve it. I deserve it. People when tell me not married to you, then tell me, you're not good man. I'm gonna make you go through 1 year and come through the next one. And I still went ahead. We go ahead. Still went ahead. And look beyond all the faults what you have. Now go say me perfect. I am not perfect. Now go tell them to say me not perfect. Nah, go tell me say me perfect. No, when it's hurt, I would have tell you say I'm perfect. No, when it's hurt, I would have tell you say I don't do nothing. Nah, go do it. But I don't do you nothing bad. All I been was good to you. All I did was being good to you. All I did was being good to you, David Anthony Lynch. That's all I did. That's all I did. Was being good to you. I don't know to you. I'm do to you. Tell people I'm do to you. Tell them I'm do to you. Tell them talk. I don't want to know why you hate me so all of a sudden. Why? You don't even like your 2-month-old baby. You don't even like the pitney. You don't even go around the pitney. You don't even fart pan the pitney. Maybe some time you feel, but they can take him up and rock him 2 times and put him down, and that's it. You don't know what Pampers buy. You don't know what Tina feed me buy. You don't know how my baby wear clothes. You don't know nothing about my child. And you say you're a father, and the child is just 2 months old. 2 months old. Child reach no yet. He never asked to come here. I will trouble him. And me say, until my last breath and this hurt, my child will be great. Can't suffer. Unless I'm a mini Alicia Kelly. I'm a very hardworking. And you know that. I am a very hardworking person. Very hardworking. Very. Don't worry about my child, David Anthony Lynch. Because he's not a father. You have 2 kids in Jamaica. And I see him, you treat them. I catch up your play now. You treat them like dirt. If I know them mother, God help them. If it's not them mother, God help them. If I know them mother, God help them. Nobody would have known, Rowan. Nobody would have known because I don't talk. Me go through it night and day, me cry. Can't tell anybody that. Night and day, me cry. And me go down for me knee them and me pray. That me do. Go down for me knee them and me pray. That me do. That's what I did. God help me. God. If it wasn't for him, I wouldn't know where I would be today, dear. I wouldn't know where I would be. Now if you say me have a husband, me take a vow till death do us part. Till death do us part. What kind of man you be? What kind? I don't come on here for nobody sorry for me. I don't come on here just because I want to talk. Me come on here to expose you. You're not get the privilege there to do it to somebody else. You're not going to get it. You're not get it. Because any woman there with you, them is just like you. Any woman at all there with you, just like you. Just like you. You put on such a pretty face. But you talk I with Nino. Don't think it's just a green card I want. You ain't give it yourself. But me never did I put 2 and 2 together. I am to be blamed too. I am to be blamed too. I know you alone to blame. Me forget blame too. Me. To be blamed too. Carried on seem loving. But behind closed door you would not know. Behind closed door you will not know. That the man cuss like any girl. Any girl. Me in them when the man have conversation, the man record me. Can't go make people hear it. But guess what? When he record himself cause me not talk. He record himself. I don't talk. Me no one talkative person. Me sit down and me is a very observant person. Me observe a lot. Me not talk. Me tell him, me say we're in our relationship before you. And it was not like this. That the man a class a man for you. Class a man for you. Class a man. David Anthony Lynch is nobody. You is nobody. And I true me upset. And I true me want talk. And I true me try to put you down. I'm not trying to do that. I'm exposing you so you don't do it to somebody else. That's the thing me I do. Me I expose you. And I hope somebody will show you this. I hope somebody will show this to you. Show it to you. You know me not lie. You know from the pit of hell. Me not lie. You know. Let me tell you, God not sleep. God not sleep. God not sleeping. And the same God will brought me this far, He going to brought me further. And He going to make sure me okay. And He going to make sure me baby okay. Remember that, David Anthony Lynch. Remember. Remember that. Remember. Remember. He is a user, an abuser, a manipulator. That's what you are, a pretender. You pretend very well. I would have loved fitting in your shoes. I wish I could have pretend like you. You pretend very well. David Anthony Lynch is evil. You is a wicked. You is a wicked. That's why me I expose you. You're wicked. You is a user. You know. You know from the get-go, you never wanted a marriage. You never wanted a relationship. All you wanted was that green card. That's all you wanted in your talk. When you get your green card, you're married to a girl from England. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go on ahead. Go ahead. Go. Go on ahead. Nobody not stop you. Go on. But I hope when people see you and ask you why your wife go live, you tell them so you're wicked. You're wicked. You're evil. I don't know. Whoa. You get up and praise God. Oh, you praise God. I can't situate. Oh, you get up and praise God. Your heart dirty. Very dirty. You come like a fridge. You can't keep close. You defrost quick. Anything nobody tell you defrost. Anything at all people tell you, you just a defrost. Your mouth can't keep close. Your mouth cannot keep close. David Anthony Lynch, yes. You from retreat. You from retreat content. Yes, you. Same thing you do your ex-wife, you do me. Same thing. But you went talk. She said me I gonna regret it. I am regretting it now. The only thing I don't regret is my child. I love my son dearly. And my son I gonna be great. You gonna see how my son flourish. You are gonna see my son flourish. You is going to see my son flourish. You're gonna need him, you know. When you get old, you're gonna need him. Anything can happen to anybody, old or young. But you're going to need him. You're going to need him. Ride on, David. Ride on. Ride on. Me I tell you, say ride. Ride. Me say ride, David. Ride on. I mean, I pray no bad prayer for you. Everything good, me I pray for you. Everything good. You're a dirty man. You're a mama man. You're a manipulator. You're a false prophet. Get up every day, God, 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 sing song, praise God. People know what's behind you. People know what's behind that. People know what's behind that. You got Florida, gonna mash up people marriage. You. Your mouth. Mash up people marriage of Florida. You can't use like a dog. You can't use like a dog. So you can't use. You can't use. I mean, why, God? You show me so many signs. I'm a blind side to them. Blind side to them. Blind, 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 blind. I don't know how I so fool. Me fool bad. Me very fool. Me very fool. And I hope somebody show this to you. I hope. Let me tell you, I want back all of my money them. When me take pay lawyer fee every mama wall. Everything I want back. Because I have proof. And you're going to pay me back. You're going to pay me back. I need them. I need every cent. I need it. I need it. But ride on, David. Ride on. You have a son. You have a big son. What kind of example you set for your son? What kind of example you set for your son? But me should have know. Me turn up. Me dey on phone. I hear that the man dey cussing ex-wife like a dark color dirty thinking worrying girl. And me and him catch up. Me say, what would you do to me? I hit me again now. Hit me again now. Hit I'm getting no. I feel me time. Come for destroy me, but I not get the privilege just so you have to come again. You have to come again. You fooled me already, you not fool me again. You have to come again. You get what you want. Ride on. Ride on, David. You never know say me not come out. All along, be quiet. Me quiet. Me quiet. I don't talk. I do not talk. Me quiet. People would even know. Me cry myself to sleep night on top of nights. 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 And look at me, I have a genuine friend around me. Nights. Days me there, me have to carry my baby again, my sister. Can't keep up. Me have my baby. My baby nearly drop out of my hand one of the time and my hand stiff out for me. Who could I call? I'm lucky me have a sister next door. And you try to mash up the relationship between me and my sister. You come to done me family. You come to done me family. You never want me have no relationship with them. You try to cut me off. That's what you try to do. That's what you try to do. You come to kill me. I show me strong. Me is a strong girl. Very strong. Very strong. When me call my father and me cry to my father say, how you keeping that so long? How? Where you find that strength there? I don't know where you get it from. God, give me. I don't know. God give me the strength every day. Every day give me the strength. Make sure say my son good. Make sure say me good. Make sure say me alright. Me not come here for nobody sorry for me. Me I come for expose him. So any woman at all in town to see him gonna run. Take up on the foot and put it on and run. 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 Put on the foot on the head and run. A dirty man. Dirty man. Dirty man. He put on a pretty face your wedding. Everything was pretty and good. Man having plans. He having plans. He had it. He had his plans. Nah, talk no like Ingrid. Me say if he walk in here right now, me lot no change yet. So I'm still have a way if he come in there, but me tell him, come take up your stuff them. Take them up out of my house. The rest of what you have, take them out. Me tell him if he come out of my apartment last night, him not here. But him have some stuff leave here. Me tell him if he come take them up. Me put him out. Me have pictures to show a lot of stuff. A lot of stuff. A lot of stuff I can show. He manipulate me. He know I was very vulnerable because me young. I was one young girl, yeah. You can just, yeah, me a sweet up and get a green card. Yeah, that him man do. That him do me. That him do me. That him do me. That the man do me. Oh, me treat that the man there. Oh, me take care that the man there. Oh, me go all out for that the man there. Anybody in a Syracuse who know me can tell you. You tell me which man you see come a foreign and look papers and get treatment like when get tea. Me want them to tell me when you don't find the man that you send him come give me.
You still ask us to accuse them. Somebody tell me now. More I know.
When you find that man, send him come give me. Send him come. Yeah, send him come. The man get life good. Good. He never wants a nothing. That the man no work for a year cause him couldn't work. Me got a bank, me give man my bank card, credit card, everything. Privilege. Do what you feel like. You just stay home and use. You just stay home and use and enjoy life.
Why? Sure.
You never want a nothing. You pick me then down there and call you and say, Daddy, me want this. Who give it to you? You want to have a figure them? Those kids are so innocent. I'm not talking bad about them. They're innocent. Not talk bad about them. But I'm just saying. I just want to hear that I talk back to you, Lynch. You catch up your play, they pick them. You walk and tell people, so you don't take care of them. And their mother do it. You know. You lie. You will talk about that woman there. Well, I saw. The same thing you do me. It happened to me now. It catch me. Everything you do to that lady, it reach Alicia Kelly right now. It reach Alicia Kelly right now. And people see me and things and me happy. Happy. Me live in a hellhole. Hellhole. Me live in a hell. Me live in a hell. Hell. And comfortable in my own place where I pay for. We are for me. Everything in here for me. The man had him plans. The man no help with nothing. Nothing joint. The man don't have no contact with nothing joint. Anytime he say me could do this together, nope. Then that's money we have plans that. Okay.
That's why.
Me pay for your wedding. Tell them Ingrid. You me send the money them come give. You pay for the whole entire wedding. Me not afraid for talk. Me not hold nothing back. Me pay for. Even the talks with the man have and me pay for. Remember that. And the man married me with false ring. The ring fake. You can't go feed gun show no fake. When me got the mom said to him, say me want clean the ring. You went tell me say, no man, we just married. I know so the ring fake. And I was insist. And me say me and clean it. Walk over the jewelry store. When me go over there, the woman take her thing and look. Fake as I'm lady say, you know this ring is fake. I shame like a dog. And me I bring a walk by my finger like ring real. I shame like a dog. I shame. You say why you married me with a fake ring? Oh, I don't have bling as me buy. Fake. Fake. You're there Jamaica, you call me anything you want, you get. Anything. Anything at all you call me, you get. I never tell you no yet. Anyway, if you find it, me I find it and give him.
Again.
Wicked. Him is a manipulator. Him is a false. Him is no pastor. Me can't tell him I'm no pastor. How wicked that. Pastor no behave like when we behave. No pastor at all. Don't behave like how that man behave. None. When you don't see, tell me. None. None. None him don't have. None him don't have. Use him, use him. Him know, him know. Him know what it was about. Him know. The man know. The man talk. All he wanted was him green card to marry to somebody else. All he had to do was tell me. All he had to do was tell me. Don't let me waste my time. That's what me regret me 5 years and all my money them when me spend. And that me regret. Me tell him I will never regret my child. Regretting daddy. That me regret. Oh, everything you get up. Oh, all you wanted was just a child. Me tell him, me could have go out there and get a child from any man. Any man. Me could have get a child from any man at all. Could have get a man anywhere and get a pitney. Never did I run it down, because I'm a young girl. Never did I run it down. And the man promised me. Promise. He won't make me go through what me go through before. Promise. Promise him, promise me. Promise. The Bible tell you about false prophets. That is David Anthony Lynch. The Bible tell you. False. Me tell him, anybody come at your church, them is just as false as you, wicked as you, evil as you. Anybody at all go down at the church the way I plan to open. Anybody at all. Anybody. David Anthony Lynch, let me tell you, when you see him, put in his mouth is very sweet. Very sweet like a sugar. It's sweet like a sugar. Sweet, 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 sweet piece of mouth. Sweet. Tell you everything where you want to hear, manipulate you. Tell you everything where you want to hear and use you. Me not the first woman he use. I am not the first. And I hope I will be the last. Because another woman won't give him that privilege to do it. That's why I come on the live. I not come for nobody sorry for me. I not come for look pittiness. I not come because I want to talk about my business. Because if I were me alone, nobody don't know my business. But him spread it. So why me feel like my mouth? Let me talk the truth. Why me feel like my mouth? The man find every fault about me in the marriage. And him know a lie. The man find every fault. Everything. I have a friend. My friend tell me say the things and what the man tell him she would have never repeat it to me. And I'm my husband that. That is my husband. Yeah, I'm a husband. Me claim is my husband. Me claim. Me claim is my husband. Me claim I'm my husband. Me married, me take a vow. I take a vow in a church. You take one too. Why you so lie? Why you so lie? David Anthony Lynch. We used to work down a Burger King. One black man, stout shots. Him wicked. Him use me. Abuse me. Manipulate me. And him is a false prophet. False prophet. False prophet. And they make it look like him is the worst person in the world. Ask anybody about me. They're the sweetest person. Sweet. I will give my all and do without. I will give my all and do without people. I will give it. I will do it. I will do it. That's what I did. I gave the man my whole of my heart. He could have take out tea and make me drop dead. That's so hard. That's so hard. Make me go feel. Me go hard. When I go to that man the pizza. They give me 100. Maybe 110. They give me all. All me give all me give all to David Anthony Lynch. David Anthony Lynch, he's a wicked, he's a user, he's a manipulator. People, I go end me live, but me just the one to know if you know and know the type of person him be. So when you woman see him run, when you see him run, As him a wicked, him mouth sweet like a sugar. Evil piece of man, evil. Evil piece of man. I will talk to no one next time, people. Thank you for listen. I'm in a company as me tell you no. If look good. Me no company if lie. Me no company if people sorry for me. No. Me company don't get that privilege to give it to somebody else. That's why me company here. Wanna have a nice day and a happy new year to all of you. And I hope the new year be prosperous.
Happy New Year to you, to Alicia, and I hope you get divorced, hope everything work out good. But people, me telling you something. You see, that's why I'm telling you, you see, what if I love talk about relationship goals and love post other people, other couples and talk about relationship goals and this is what I want and all kind of things. But you see, when you know, they on the outside and look on other people's relationship, no wish feet, because you don't know what is actually taking place in that relationship or that marriage there. Yeah? You no better try if you work for your own and not try to talk about you want to be like the next couple there. Because you hear what she say herself, nobody would know what is actually happening if she never talk. Because she come and she put on a pretty face every day. She put on a smile every day, but no one knew what was actually happening in the marriage. And she said she still would have never talk. You see, here what she said, she still would have never talk if him never did spread it everywhere. So, you need to be careful with this relationship goals thing we want to have, because, trust me, don't bother try to wish to be like nobody else's relationship. Build your own relationship and work upon it. You understand? Yeah, man. But, and people, I see some pictures which I will not show, of course, but I see some pictures where allegedly are the man where she talk about and some compromising positions. You understand? One way I'm in a wig and the next one way I'm wear some outfits where yeah, but me gonna leave that there, so you understand. But people talk to me down in the comment section and let me know what I think about that one here. You see, as me said, this right here, the video was extremely long, and instead of me scrubbing through it and cutting out snippets, me said me do it in another format here so you can, you know, get the full gist of everything. If you don't like how me do that one here, talk to me down in the comment section, and if you don't want me start do more like this, talk to me down in the comment section too, cause you don't know what me I do is not for me, but for Uno. So, I go with what Uno say. Alright? Watch ya. This has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and definitely, if this is your first time here and you have not yet hit the subscribe button, consider hitting the subscribe button now and turn on all notifications. Once we upload a video, you will get notified. No matter what, don't let nobody stop you. I mean, you're unstoppable. My God.
Right now, you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.